Hello crafty friends, anyone late for Valentines? Well, I am, but don't worry, if you have the skill or just stamp like I got, my quick and easy idea should save you. I didn't get the whole kit this month, but I got the stamp and rose shimmer pigment ink. Also, I included cardstock that I already have. Instead of glitters, I got the sparkle gold paper, and instead of stickers, I have those hearts. Postcard. I prepared my background with Simon Says stamp, stitched rectangle cut die, and made a paper stencil of heart shape from long Fawn stitched horse cut dies. I placed stencil on background and fun time start. I picked all pink inks from Simon Says ink and included this shimmer ink. I'm starting from bigger heart size to small and stamping randomly inside cat heart. When you remove paper stencil, your background turned out one big heart with many hearts in. Now for sentiments. I was looking for something that will fit inside heart, and XOXO was the perfect choice. This card can be friends to friends, thanks to the sentiments and of course all cute heart shapes. Second card. This is the most quick card, and you need only to prepare wavy shape background and gold hearts. First, we are attaching gold cardstock to black, so it will be visible as detail. Black and gold makes this card elegant already. Then all of this, we attach it into cardstock. Sentiments will be in black ink to match with black background. Once sentiments is ready, I am adding sparkle Holtz detail. Ta-da! Pretty quick. Third card is my favorite because I was able to enjoy to create background with distress ink. Using brush stroke stamps, I am building tic-tac-toe background. On the edge below, I added the sentiments "I love you". Then I start to experiment with watercolor in Holtz. At first I failed, as it was too much water and ink almost gone. So I came up with another strategy. I stamp Holtz with 3 shades of blue, then again ink up, but after I spray water on it. Look now how Holtz turning out fabulous. I did the same process with pink color. To finish this card, I add a little heart beside sentiment. Fourth card, I used a little of my creative idea to make heart-shaped cookies. Basic beige dog heart shape I stamped on one side, so cookies will look like scattered around. Then in the middle I emboss with white powder stitched hearts. I also create another paper stencil but with small heart shape and placing them on the stitched heart to blend in pink color. Wait for it, why pink? For sentiments, I wanted to add something that will say, I like you, but not only you, also cookies. So I got available stamps to me. One, I needed and from Simon Says Stamps, and cookies from Strawberry Jute Stamps. Using tape to cover unwanted sentiments and stamp it twice so my sentiments will look vivid. After I'm done with sentiments, I am adding glossy accent on pink heart. Now they look like German cookies. Also, I added glossy on footcut too to make it more fun. This card is ready, and what do you think of those cookies? The fifth card is another simple card, but as a shaker card. I can dye hole in the middle, then preparing my shaker background with foam tape. For the shaker details, I got red beads only. Then attaching this background into black cardstock. It turned out very clean and simple design. I want to add scrapbooking sentiments. Happy Valentine's Day. I am attaching these sentiments with little foam stripes that came from previous card keys. To finish this card, I am adding hot detail and decided to stick it on the top. Here are all my quick and simple card ideas. Let me know which idea you think you would like to try. Hope you enjoyed this video. Time for giveaway. Post for 100 subs. I asked my husband to draw. So the winner is Amber Maya. Please message me your address so these babies will get to your home. And another big giveaway for someone who wishes to win this. So the winner is Francina. Oh, you lucky girl. Okay, this box will be on your way. Thank you for watching. Happy Valentine's Day.